Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chicken soup at home. First, select a whole chicken, about 3 to 4 pounds for the best flavor. You'll also need 2 large carrots, 2 celery stalks, and 1 medium onion, all roughly chopped. Don't forget fresh herbs like a few sprigs of thyme and a bay leaf to infuse your broth with wonderful aromas. A good quality, large pot is essential for this comforting meal. Now, let's create that rich, savory broth. Place your whole chicken into an 8-quart pot and cover it with approximately 12 cups of cold water. Slowly bring this to a gentle simmer over medium heat, carefully skimming off any foam that appears. Then, add your chopped carrots, celery, and onion, along with the fresh herbs. Let it all simmer for about 1.5 to 2 hours, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. Once the chicken is tender, carefully remove it from the pot and let it cool for about 10 minutes. Strain the broth through a fine mesh sieve into another clean pot, discarding the cooked vegetables and herbs. Once cool enough to handle, shred the chicken meat from the bones, aiming for bite-sized pieces. You'll likely get about 3 to 4 cups of shredded chicken, perfect for your soup. Finally, it's time to bring it all together. Return the delicious shredded chicken to your clear, flavorful broth. If you like, add about 2 cups of cooked egg noodles or rice and heat until warmed through. Taste and adjust the seasoning with salt and freshly ground black pepper. Serve your homemade chicken soup hot, perhaps with a sprinkle of fresh parsley, for a truly comforting and nourishing meal.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.